Hello guys, welcome back to the Secret Workouts. I'm here with my friend Hakeem. He's gonna help us today with some workouts. Okay, he's gonna help us out. This stuff it's been hidden by the media, and he's gonna help us out, and it's gonna do good. Okay, here we go. What that gets is the dorsiflexus down this side and down here, and you feel it in your phalanges. Okay? Come back for round 2 tomorrow, same time. Okay, guys? How do you turn this off?
Just watch.
Hey guys, we're back at it again here at the gym. I got some peeps here. And my buddy Tyrone's going to be holding the camera today.
My name's not Tyrone.
Oh, I think his name's Josh. He's a kind of little temper this evening. Anyway, he came up to me and asked me, he was like, hey, how do you make the forearms bigger? See this? That's a forearm, okay, guys? That's in front for the arm, okay? So it's in front of the arm, and we're going to try and make that bigger, okay? You just stare at it, and then when you use it, it gets bigger, okay? So I'm going to hand it to Josh, and then he's going to film me doing the good things, okay? Stand by. Here you go. So what you want to do is you want to find a weight, and then stand it up, okay? And you want to take a straight bar and just sit here and whack the weight, okay? Just whack at it. Just stare at it and whack at it, okay? And it gets the forearm. You want to isolate the forearm and just whack at it. Ow, fuck. Okay, guys, I'm done this evening. Come back for part 5 next week, okay? How do you turn this fucking thing off? My gosh. Hey guys, live and back at it again with part 13. I did 12 more yesterday, but Zuckerberg said they were too discreet, too secretive, okay? So he took them down off of Facebook. What we got here, me and Sir Luscious Luckyfoot here, he's going to help us out. We had a couple of requests yesterday. Someone said, I want to get my armpit muscles nice and tender, nice and soft, and nice and strong. So what we've got here is a rope, okay? What you want to do is you want to bury it inside the armpit. Get it inside that precipitous flexors. And you want to lean into it, okay? Kind of lean into it. You want to flex it and turn, okay? You want to get that pit muscle down and in between. Okay, guys? Just flex it, okay? That was number 1. Hey, guys, take 2 of Back at It Again, here to help you at the gym, okay? We got some people here. This is Haley. She's a vegan, as I said in the last post, okay? She's got an organization called Don't Eat the Turkeys or Lizards or Llamas or anything with meat in it, .organism, okay? We've got Lynn here. He's going to help us he's going to help us, okay? So here we go. So we had a question, how to make the nipples stronger, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, here, you hold that and aim it at me. My buddy Lynn is going to help me. And what you want to do is you want to grab one of these, and you want to clamp your nipples down, okay? Clamp your nipples down. Okay. Now pull on it. Ah! Pull it out. Ow. Pull it out. Ah! Ooh. Ooh, one more red pull. Okay, guys, they're getting nice and strong. They got milk in them today. Okay, guys? I'll talk to you later. I always forget how to turn it off.